Hello. Once again, this is Boy Protas, breakfast time. Basta, good morning, good morning. Ang sabi ni Boy Protas, ang coach ni Boy Protas, more cooked foods better than more fresh foods. That's my coach and observation. And also, it's better to eat hot food than cold. That's my observation and coach. And also, always remember, any problems that come in life, there is a solution. Don't put in heart and mind the problem because it will destroy our good plan in life or our everyday life and future. Always say there is a solution to the problem. That's my observation. You can solve a problem. You can find a solution. That's my observation. Okay, let's it. Basta, my coach, more cooked foods better than more fresh foods. And also, it's better to eat hot food than cold. Okay, good morning. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let's it.